Are we ready? Ready.
Felix, you give a signal.
So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we had a meeting here of the Azimio La Umoja One Kenya Coalition Summit. We have deliberated on a number of pertinent issues, and we have a statement which is going to be read on our behalf by Honorable Eugene Wamalwa.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a press statement by Azimio La Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party. Azimio leadership and our delegation to the bipartisan talks had a meeting today, and we received a progress report on the talks and events leading to the decision by our team to declare a statement and suspend the talks. The meeting discussed in detail the continuing attacks on Azimio La Umoja by Kenya Kwanza, despite our protests and express provisions of the Constitution. A number of issues emerged. First, the talks appear to have proceeded well until yesterday, when our delegation tried to move into substantive issues. As Kenyans are aware, our substantive issues remain as follows. 1. Immediate steps to lower the cost of living. We dare add that cost of living has acquired more urgency in light of the finance bill, the continued rise in the cost of basics like unga, sugar, and fuel, the continuing fall of the Kenya shilling, and the new raft of taxes that the Kenya Kwanza administration is determined to push down the throats of suffering Kenyans. 2, the audit of IEBC